Most people get this wrong. They think Fastlane Pay is just another payday loan platform with hidden fees. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's evolved into a flexible financial tool offering fast cash, installment options, and spending insights to help users manage urgent expenses responsibly. Here's how it works. Fastlane Pay allows you to request a short-term advance or access part of your earned wages. Funds can arrive within hours, making it ideal for emergencies like unexpected bills, car repairs, or household needs. The app provides transparent repayment schedules and reminders to help you avoid late fees. Beyond advances, Fastlane Pay tracks your obligations, upcoming payments, and total spending. This makes it easier to plan repayment and prevents overextending yourself financially. The downside, overusing advances can get expensive. This app works best for planned short-term needs, not as a regular source of income. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances you can realistically repay. 2. Track repayment dates carefully. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance. Who benefits most? Users with steady income who occasionally need fast cash or flexible repayment options. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may face higher costs. In conclusion, Fastlane Pay in 2026 is fast, practical, and user-friendly, but only if used responsibly. Treat it as a short-term tool, plan repayments carefully, and track your spending. Subscribe for honest reviews and actionable money tips.